Did you know that aloe vera juice can do wonders for your health? Today we'll uncover 10 incredible benefits of aloe vera juice. Aloe vera, often referred to as the plant of immortality, has been treasured for its medicinal properties for centuries. This succulent plant is famous for its use in skincare and beauty products and its therapeutic benefits when consumed as a juice. Aloe vera juice contains essential nutrients and compounds that offer various health advantages. Before we begin, a quick disclaimer. The information provided in this video is intended for educational information only and should not substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek for the advice of your physician or other qualified health provider, especially for individuals with health conditions or taking medications. Now let's dive in. Immune system booster. One of the key benefits of aloe vera juice is its ability to boost the immune system. Aloe vera contains various vitamins, including vitamin C and E, which play vital roles in strengthening the body's defenses against infections. These antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals and enhance the body's overall immunity, reducing the risk of illness and promoting overall well-being. Digestive aid. Aloe vera juice has long been recognized for its digestive benefits. It contains enzymes such as amylase and lipase that help break down carbohydrates and fats, facilitating better digestion. Also, aloe vera juice has natural laxative properties, relieving constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. This soothing effect on the digestive system makes aloe vera juice an excellent choice for those struggling with gastrointestinal discomfort. Alleviates acid reflux and heartburn. Many people suffer from acid reflux and heartburn, which can be pretty uncomfortable. Aloe vera juice has been found to have a calming effect on the digestive tract, reducing irritation and inflammation, contributing to these symptoms. Drinking a small amount of aloe vera juice before meals can help prevent acid reflux and relieve heartburn. Supports weight management. Aloe vera juice can be a valuable addition to a weight management plan. It is low in calories and contains compounds that may aid in weight loss. Aloe vera juice can help increase metabolism, detoxify the body, and promote fat burning. It is a valuable tool for those looking to shed some extra pounds when combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise. Skin health and beauty. Aloe vera's benefits extend beyond internal health and include skin care. When applied topically, aloe vera is renowned for its moisturizing and soothing properties, making it a popular ingredient in various skincare products. However, drinking aloe vera juice can also improve skin health from the inside out. It promotes hydration, reduces inflammation, and helps in the repair of skin tissues, leading to a clearer complexion and a more youthful appearance. Aloe vera juice aids in the detoxification of the body by supporting the liver and kidneys in eliminating toxins. It acts as a natural cleanser, flushing out harmful substances that can accumulate in the body due to a poor diet, pollution, and other environmental factors. Regular consumption of aloe vera juice can contribute to a healthier and more efficient detoxification process. Rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants protect the body against oxidative stress and cellular damage caused by free radicals. Aloe vera juice is loaded with various antioxidants, including polyphenols and flavonoids. These compounds help combat the harmful effects of free radicals and reduce the risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease and cancer. Supports dental health. Aloe vera juice can also benefit oral health. It has natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties to help prevent and alleviate gum disease and oral infections. Gargling with diluted aloe vera juice can reduce inflammation, soothe mouth sores, and promote dental hygiene. Improves natural absorption. A healthy digestive system is crucial for optimal nutrient absorption. Aloe vera juice aids in improving the absorption of essential nutrients, such as vitamins and minerals, from our foods. By enhancing the digestive process and promoting a healthy gut, aloe vera juice ensures the body gets the maximum benefit from our nutrients. Last but not least, joint and muscle health. Aloe vera juice contains anti-inflammatory compounds, making it beneficial for joint and muscle health. Regular consumption can help reduce inflammation and alleviate symptoms associated with arthritis or exercise-induced muscle soreness. It can also aid in maintaining overall joint mobility and flexibility. There you have it. Aloe vera juice is a versatile and natural remedy with numerous health benefits. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system, improve digestion, or enhance your skin's radiance, aloe vera juice can be a valuable addition to your daily routine. However, using it in moderation is essential, as excessive consumption can lead to digestive discomfort. Incorporate aloe vera juice into a well-balanced and healthy lifestyle to reap the full range of advantages. As with any dietary changes, remember, it's advisable to consult a healthcare professional before adding aloe vera juice to your daily regimen, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. With its health-enhancing properties, aloe vera juice has rightfully earned its place as a valuable and natural health supplement. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like these. Thanks for watching.